Do you want to create stunning digital landscapes like these while learning the basics of Procreate? Then this class is for you. Hi, I'm Julie Ehrmantraut. I'm an artist and surface designer from Vancouver, Canada. I love the outdoors and being in nature, camping and exploring while photographing my adventures. These photos and experiences have inspired many of my artworks. In this class, I'm going to take you step by step through creating these beautiful digital landscapes while teaching you some of the basics of the Procreate app. This class is great for beginners, but also a fun and easy project for more seasoned Procreate users, so feel free to join me no matter your level. I've also created a free color palette and some brushes for you to use in this class. If you've already got your iPad, then you're pretty much ready for this class. So without further ado, let's get started.